TikTok will never allow you to make money with this subscription feature if you don't have the live on your TikTok. You can see this is attached to the live. So if you don't have this subscription feature, this is what I want you to do. Do this right now. So just go to your TikTok. Once you go to your TikTok, tap on this arrow. When you tap on this arrow, tap on copy. When you tap on copy, tap on the username. When you tap on the username, tap on YouTube so that you can learn step by step for free on how you can make your first $10,000 on TikTok and how you can have all those missing TikTok features on your app. You're not making money on TikTok because you're not using this TikTok feature. So you go to your TikTok. Once you go to your TikTok, you go to profile, tap on profile. When you tap on profile, you're going to tap on options right here. You tap on options. When you tap on options, you're going to tap on TikTok Studio. You will see TikTok Studio, my QR code, settings and privacy. So you tap on TikTok Studio. When you tap on TikTok Studio, you're going to tap on video gifts right here. When you tap on video gifts, you're going to turn this on. Viewers can send gifts on your eligible videos when this feature is turned on, so you turn it on. After turning it on, you're going to see the requirements that you need for you to start receiving gifts on all your TikTok videos. Get gifts on your top performing videos, have at least 10,000 followers, have an account that has been active for at least 30 days, meet the age requirement. Accounts must not be used by the government, politicians, and political parties. So here what you have to do, you have to come and turn on. So when you turn it on, it means that you will start receiving gifts on all your videos. If you want to make money on TikTok, just comment "I'm interested" in the comments to show you how. Don't forget to check my profile for step-by-step tutorials.